Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you a numerical problem on group of piles in clay soil. Numerical question is given here. In a construction site, there are 9 piles in the ground arranged in a square pattern. The pile diameter is 200 millimeter, length is 8 meter. The soil deposit is given as medium clay, and unconfined compressive strength is given as 100, and the spacing between the piles is 500 millimeter. Calculate the ultimate load carrying capacity of the pile group. Addition factor is given as 0.9, and NC is Skemden's coefficient, which is given as 9. The data given in the question are unconfined compressive strength of the clay, medium clay, that is 100, and undrained cohesion is half of the unconfined compressive strength value, that is 50 kilonewton per meter square. It is better to draw a schematic listing all the details given in the question. Okay, you can see here there is a pile cap, and the ultimate load will be transferred to the piles through the pile cap to the piles. The first step is to calculate the load carrying capacity of the single pile. The expression is this. It has two components. Okay, this is the expression for the ultimate load carrying capacity of the single pile. It has two components, end bearing and skin friction. Okay, so here you can calculate the area at the tip of the pile, that is pi by 4 into diameter of single pile. Okay, this one, and on the other side you have this term which is related to the skin friction. Okay, this is point bearing. The first one is point bearing, and the second one is skin friction. Okay, and the value is 240.333 kilonewton. Okay, so this is for single pile. Here you can see the step 2 that gives you the ultimate load capacity of pile group of 9 piles on the basis of individual action. Okay, individual action of 9 piles. Okay, so which can be easily calculated with the number of piles times the ultimate load carrying capacity of single pile. So this is calculated here. And next one is the step number 3 is ultimate load capacity of pile group of 9 piles on the basis of block action. Actually, so this entire thing is acting as a single block. Okay, so this is a single block unit. Okay, so the soil and the pile will act together as a block. Okay, and the expression is like this. Cohesion, that is unconfined cohesion at the base, and NC is the value which is given there, and area of cross section at the base here, area of cross section at the base, and next one is perimeter of the block in this fashion. Okay, so 4 times 1.2 is the perimeter, and 8 is the length of the pile, and the CU is 50. So this can be calculated. The ultimate load carrying capacity of the pile group is taken as the smaller of these two values. Okay, so that is 2163 kilonewton. Okay, this is the answer. Thank you very much for listening to my lecture. See you all next time with a new video.